Hi, and welcome back to the Joy of Painting. Today, we're just going to be painting a happy little summer scene, so grab your paint and come join me. First, we're going to start off with some phthalo blue and just go straight into the sky with it. Maybe a little down here for the water, and then let's just blend this out. So we're just going to grab some black, brown, a little blue maybe, and just get it all up here on the knife and just place it in wherever. Now let's just add some snow on this mountain. So just come right on down with some white, real nice and quick. Get some of that mountain color, come right on down and make whatever lives down here. Now let's grab a clean fan brush, get some yellow on it, and add some highlights onto these little islands in the back. So let's just grab some of everything maybe, and just splotch this guy right in. Let's grab some paint thinner on our liner brush and get some Van Dyke brown in here. Now, let's just put in some indications of some trunks living in these trees. So go straight on up, and look at that, we've got some trunks. Now that we've got all that in, let's just add the leaves onto this happy little tree. So just put it right wherever you want. Let's just put some grass in right here. Pull down for reflections. Now I've just mixed some dark sienna and titanium white, and we're just gonna slap it right on in here for the land and happy little rocks that live in this painting. Going straight down, and then go side to side with the brush. Now let's just give them some land to sit on. Now we'll just use this brush to plop in some bushes and happy little things that live out here. Now, this is looking like a finished painting. From all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and God bless.